Imagine two boys, Mr. Hard Worker and Mr. Smart Worker, who are given a challenge to cut down a tree using an old blunt axe. Each is assigned a tree of the same size, and the one who cuts down his tree first wins the challenge. They are given 1 hour to complete the task. As soon as the time starts, Hard Worker immediately begins chopping the tree, putting all of his energy into swinging the axe repeatedly. Smart Worker, however, does not rush. Instead, he sits down, picks up a sharpening stone, and starts sharpening the blade of his axe. After 20 minutes, the blade of the axe becomes very sharp. He then stands up and starts chopping the tree. Within just 10 minutes, he cuts down his tree and wins the challenge, completing it in a total of 30 minutes. Meanwhile, Hard Worker, who started cutting the tree from the very beginning, takes 50 minutes to finish. Now imagine they are given the same challenge again, but this time Smart Worker has already sharpened his axe. He would complete the task in just 10 minutes, while Hard Worker would still take the same 50 minutes as before. This story highlights an important principle in programming. There are two types of programmers: those who take the time to build a strong foundation, and those who jump straight into coding, aiming to finish quickly. The second group of programmers often end up writing inefficient code, filled with bugs, and spend a lot of time fixing those issues. On the other hand, programmers with a strong foundation can solve problems more efficiently, writing cleaner code with fewer issues, and save time in the long run. The key difference between a successful programmer and an unsuccessful programmer is mastering essential techniques like the dry run technique. This video was the first part of understanding the dry run technique, where we explored its importance. Make sure to watch the second part, where we'll dive deeper into how to effectively apply the dry run technique and why mastering it will make you a genius in problem solving and turn you into a world-class programmer. Click here to watch the second part of the dry run technique. My name is Imran Shah and you are watching STEMophile. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment with your thoughts. See you in the next part of the video.